Okay. This is my old filter. Take it loose. Take it loose and see what's in there. I'm gonna cut it in there with a sponge. Now, after I got through doing this, I remember when I was young. I can't remember how old I was, but we had one of those clocks, the one that tick-tocks, and I kept wondering how does it work? So I took it apart, and I didn't get in trouble because my mom was like, "Why'd you take it apart?" And I was like, "I just want to know how it worked." But I'm mad at myself because I couldn't put it back together. So had I had that type of mind, I probably would have been an engineer or something. But I had the mind to take it apart. I just couldn't put it back together. So I thought about that after I did this. It's like a sand. It feels like sand. And that black stuff, I think that's the some charcoal, but it's more that sand than it is the charcoal, which I wish it was more charcoal. This is the only part that looks like it could have been hard water, that white part. Because that white stuff be on your faucet. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna let it dry overnight and see what it looks like in the morning. Okay, so I let it sit for a few days. And it's dry, like sand. I don't want to throw it away. Weird, huh? Okay, so the 5 steps of filtration. I guess this is one. This is 2. Let's see there. I guess that's 3, and the black one is 4. But I wish it had more charcoal. But what's number 5? Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess the container is 5. Because I don't see anything else.